Welcome to Paybis. In the era of advanced authentication techniques, we all expect a seamless account creation experience, but security remains a cornerstone. Finding a sweet spot between ease of use and robust security measures is essential. Here are the common problems encountered during the account creation process on exchange platforms. Complexity. Users often abandon the registration process if it is too complicated or time-consuming. The process should be simple and intuitive, with only essential information collected initially. Streamlining the process and reducing the number of steps can enhance the user experience. Technical issues. Bugs, slow load times, and compatibility problems can frustrate users and hinder account creation. Ensuring the platform works seamlessly across different devices and providing clear instructions and support are vital. Verification delays. Lengthy verification processes, especially during peak times, can deter users. Implementing efficient KYC procedures and automating parts of the process can help. Providing real-time updates and clear communication about the verification process is also important. Balancing user experience with robust security measures is key to a successful account creation process on exchange platforms. While these platforms work hard to keep your account safe, it's essential to take your own steps to protect your information. You can't rely solely on the exchange's security measures to keep everything secure. Let's look at the top 3 tips for creating a secure account on any cryptocurrency exchange. Always use strong, unique passwords for your accounts. Avoid reusing passwords and consider using a password manager to keep track of them. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, to add an extra layer of security. This makes it harder for hackers to access your account even if they have your password. Always verify the authenticity of any communications from the exchange. Be cautious of phishing attempts and never share your private keys or personal information through email. The ideal cryptocurrency exchange should offer both ease of use and robust security. This is where Paybis excels. Now, let's walk through the process of creating and verifying your account on Paybis. It's straightforward, secure, and quick. To start, go to the homepage of Paybis and click on Sign Up. Enter your email address, which will serve as your username, and your phone number. Make sure to read through our terms of service, AML policy, and rates before proceeding. Important: do not proceed with creating a Paybis account if someone is promising you too good to be true deals or controlling your device. After signing up, you will need to confirm your email address. Check your inbox for an email containing a one-time password. Enter the code in the designated field on the exchange platform to complete your email verification and log into your account. The second step will be to verify your phone number. You will receive a 6-digit code via SMS on your phone. Enter this code and complete your verification. By completing both steps, your account will be secure and ready for use on the platform. For identity verification, you will need a government-issued international passport, identity card, or driving license. Be aware that depending on your country, you may be asked for additional information or there would be extra steps for verification. For example, a few extra verification steps for UK customers in relation to United Kingdom regulations, or you may be requested to verify your source of income. After that, a selfie, or a liveness check as we call it, will be required to pass basic verification steps and to review your identification documents. Our KYC process is quick and usually completed within 5 minutes. Verifying your account unlocks the possibility of exchanging crypto at Paybis. Our support team is always on standby to assist you through the verification process. We're here to help every step of the way. At Paybis, we make the account creation and verification process as simple and quick as possible, while ensuring top-notch security for your data. Hear from our satisfied users who appreciate the ease and security of Paybis. Their positive experiences speak volumes about our commitment to providing a user-friendly platform. Ready to join? Sign up today and start your secure crypto journey with Paybis. Paybis, where ease meets security and innovation.